Discover 50 groundbreaking AI technologies transforming industries, healthcare, transportation, and everyday life across the world. AI chips accelerate complex computations, enabling faster, smarter, and more efficient artificial intelligence applications worldwide.
Neural processing units process AI locally, delivering faster performance, stronger privacy, and greater energy efficiency. Humanoid robots assist people by performing physical tasks, communication, and customer service with remarkable efficiency.
Industrial AI robots automate manufacturing with precision, increasing productivity while reducing costly human errors. Autonomous mobile robots navigate warehouses independently. They transport goods safely without constant human guidance. AI drones identify objects, avoid obstacles, and complete autonomous missions with exceptional speed and accuracy. Self-driving cars continuously analyze roads, making transportation safer through intelligent, real-time driving decisions. AI security cameras recognize suspicious activities instantly, enhancing surveillance through intelligent automated threat detection. Robot dogs inspect hazardous environments, collecting critical data while keeping human workers safely away.
LiDAR sensors create precise three-dimensional maps, helping autonomous machines navigate complex environments safely.
AI vision cameras recognize objects instantly, improving inspection accuracy, quality control, and production efficiency.
Smart Traffic AI optimizes signal timing, reducing congestion while improving road safety and travel efficiency.
AI delivery robots transport packages autonomously, providing faster deliveries while reducing transportation costs and emissions.
AI warehouse systems optimize inventory, coordinate robots, and accelerate order fulfillment with remarkable efficiency. AI surgical robots enhance precision, supporting surgeons during delicate procedures. They provide exceptional accuracy and control. AI medical imaging detects abnormalities faster, helping doctors diagnose diseases with greater confidence and accuracy.
AI diagnostic systems analyze medical data, supporting faster decisions and improving patient care outcomes. AI pharmacy robots prepare prescriptions accurately, reducing medication errors and improving hospital pharmacy efficiency.
AI prosthetic limbs interpret neural signals, restoring natural movement with remarkable precision and responsive control. Smart farming robots harvest crops efficiently, reducing labor while improving agricultural productivity and sustainability. AI crop monitoring detects plant health early, helping farmers maximize yields while conserving valuable resources. Autonomous tractors cultivate fields precisely, improving farming efficiency while reducing fuel consumption and operational costs. AI irrigation systems deliver precise watering, conserving resources while supporting healthier crops and higher agricultural yields. AI livestock monitoring tracks animal health continuously, improving welfare while preventing diseases before they spread.
AI smart homes automate daily living, enhancing comfort, security, convenience, and energy efficiency effortlessly. AI voice assistants understand natural speech. Max, set up my day, helping people manage tasks quickly through simple voice commands. AI smart refrigerators monitor food inventory, reducing waste while recommending healthier meal planning every day. AI air quality monitors detect harmful pollutants, automatically improving indoor environments for healthier daily living.
AI energy management systems optimize electricity consumption, reducing costs while supporting cleaner and more sustainable buildings.
AI digital twins simulate factory operations, improving efficiency by predicting problems before they actually occur. Predictive Maintenance AI detects equipment failures early, preventing downtime and reducing expensive repair costs.
Collaborative robots safely assist workers, combining human creativity with robotic precision for greater productivity.
AI quality inspection detects manufacturing defects instantly, ensuring higher product reliability and consistent production standards. AI logistics platforms optimize global deliveries, reducing delays while improving transportation efficiency across worldwide supply networks. Autonomous ships navigate oceans intelligently, improving maritime safety while reducing operational costs and fuel consumption. Autonomous trains improve railway safety, optimize schedules, and deliver smoother journeys through intelligent automation.
AI air traffic control enhances flight safety by coordinating aircraft with faster, smarter, real-time decisions.
Departure. Copy tower, flight 427 rolling.
AI satellites analyze Earth instantly, improving environmental monitoring, disaster response, and global communication efficiency. AI space rovers explore distant planets autonomously, collecting valuable scientific data beyond human reach.
AI cybersecurity systems detect cyber threats instantly, protecting critical networks before attacks cause serious damage. AI facial recognition verifies identities rapidly, strengthening security while streamlining passenger verification and controlled access. AI digital humans communicate naturally. They provide realistic conversations. They give personalized assistance. This is used across many industries.
Generative AI creates text, images, music, and videos from simple human instructions within seconds.
Multimodal AI understands text, images, audio, and video together for more intelligent human interactions.
Edge AI processes information locally, delivering faster responses while reducing cloud dependence and network delays. AI supercomputers train massive models, enabling breakthroughs across science, medicine, engineering, and artificial intelligence.
AI brain-computer interfaces translate neural signals, enabling direct communication between humans and intelligent machines.
Swarm AI robots cooperate intelligently, completing complex missions faster through synchronized teamwork and shared decisions. Artificial general intelligence represents a future AI capable of learning and solving diverse human-level challenges.
Artificial intelligence continues evolving rapidly, creating smarter technologies that will transform humanity's future. Together.
Thank you for watching. Stay curious, keep learning, and explore tomorrow's technologies with Tian Next Tech.